Okay, you ever run into the situation where you're trying to upload a blog post, but then when you look on the front side of your website, it just doesn't add up, right? Like something is off, the formatting is weird, it doesn't fit your brand. I'm going to show you exactly why that happens and how to fix it. Okay, so perfect example. I have duplicated an old blog post because I just want to be able to fill in using the template of the different fields, right? So I'm going to go to edit this block of text. And this is the entire first section of what would go into this block, right? Because this is where my H3 starts. So I'm going to copy all of this content. Then I come over here and like, okay, this is the block of text that I want. And I paste it in. Got to get rid of an extra space here. Let's see, save. Okay, looks pretty decent. Let's preview and see what happens. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that? Why is this bolder, right? Why is this in the smaller type? This is not the right formatting. And now I'm going to show you why. So if we go back to this text box and we go to edit, while it appears to be the normal styling on the front, if you flip over here to text, look at all of this additional code that's in here, right? All of these font elements, like I didn't do that. That's not what I want either. So instead, what we're going to do is I'm going to go and undo what my paste was. Okay. So there are two different ways you can go about doing this. I'm going to show you one of them, which is where you start one paragraph at a time. Copy this. Then you flip over to the text side. Okay. This is plain text so that you then replace that first paragraph. Okay. And you can do this one paragraph at a time so that, right, we're getting rid of that sentence I don't need. This would be the next paragraph. You paste it in on this side. And then if I want all of this to be indented, I highlight this section and I click indent. Okay, and I'm going to now show you what that looks like. Look at that. The normal font weight, this is indented as I want it to be, right? And here's how the proper spacing should be. So the reason why is that what we're doing is pasting it in as a text, like plain text field. Okay, so then if I decide I want to do additional formatting, okay, I can do that. I would hit enter here and enter here, go back up, hit indent one more time. And let's say I want that to be in italics because it's an important thing I'm trying to emphasize. Great. The other option of what you can do, if you don't like that, is that you take your whole blog post or all of the copy you're trying to do, and you paste it into on another screen or another app that you have. You paste it into a notes document, okay? And from the notes document, you can then turn that notes document into a plain text so that when you come over here, you can paste it directly there. Hit preview. And see, this spacing is now a little bit off, so I'll have to go and fix that. But otherwise, none of that additional formatting came through, right? None of the things that I don't want from a Word document or a Google document ended up here. And it's because even though you don't see it, right, even if this looks like it's just basic copy, this has a specific set of code on the back end for how it's formatted. So when I copy straight from here and I put it here, I end up with all of that additional span text, and that's not what I want. When I paste in plain text, that's when the front side of the website shows all of the styling as I set it on my website. I hope that helps.